So guys, I know we stopped the video on the other camera because it was just a false alarm. You know, the nail, the screw, because it wasn't a nail, didn't get to the tire. You know, it wasn't leaking, it wasn't happening anything. So the second we went back to his place and we went to put air on the back tires, because then we thought it might be one of those because my light was on. We realized that it actually has a nail on that one too, and then that one had another nail. So now we're actually going to show y'all how to fix it. Right, baby?
Yeah.
3 different.
And then your car likes to fight me.
Yeah.
To come off every time too.
So and we already know, because the screws are literally the same. It's the same one, and we're pretty sure it's gonna be short, but that one got to it.
Yeah, because this tire has less tread, so it being short,
it got
don't matter.
We need some new tires, y'all.
So watch this. Let's see. Let's test it first to see if we're right. And it could be just a very small amount. So yeah, like I said, it's just a very small amount. And you can tell it's been there for a while because it's starting to smooth off the metal. So step number 1, you pull it out, you wring it out with this to clean it out. You put some fresh rubber on this, and then you put her.
You want to put the rubber first?
Nah.
Okay, thug it out.
Because this is like the 3rd nail I done pulled out on your car.
In a day?
In the same day.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So even though she's short, you have 3 of the same nails. Now, you can never be like, oh, what's the random coincidence? You got 3 of the same nails. Somebody had a project and they lost 3 of the same ones. So,
where's the other one?
I threw them all in the trash.
Oh, okay.
So now you clean it out. Oh snap, put it back in, put it back in, put it back in. Gotta finish cleaning it. Clean it, clean it, clean it, clean it. Now that's real clean when you can put it in and out like that. Stick it in there. You prep this, which you really should have done first, but I don't care. Now, I personally like to pinch that in.
I think you already said that in the
other
one. But yeah.
And throw that through there. Then you grab this.
And like you said already, might look easy, but it ain't.
Yeah, I make it look easy. This sticking to my hand and stuff. Push it in about halfway. Perfect. Okay. Now, I'm putting a lot of force, guys, believe it or not. Okay, push it in a lot like this, right? And then last minute pull out.
Fast.
Fast, boy. But yeah, she just gotta get new tires too. Let's just roll it around. Got another one.
No.
You do, yeah, you do. I don't know what made me just check it out. But yeah, you got another one.
Okay, 4 nails, guys.
4 nails.
At this point, throw the whole tire away.
Yeah.
I love how they fake that. Are they sneaking out on the kids? That's what.
Be like that.
Done that before. My cousins.
Can we go with y'all? Like, no. And then I like to cut off the remaining tips This stuff is really sticky too, guys. So it might look like I'm not cutting or not trying. I'm trying, guys. I'm scared of cutting my fingertips too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Stuff is sticky, isn't it? If somebody was just listening to the audio, they probably wouldn't know what the hell I was talking about. Pull out at the last minute, guys. Yeah, you just need some tires too. So you can see where we had old nails at. This one's gonna be ridiculous right here. If this is the same type of nail, because sometimes they're really grounded down to the point where you can't tell if it's the same type. But
That one has been there for a while now.
yeah, be like that sometimes. It's rusty. Guess what it is?
A screw.
It's a screw. It's a different type.
But it's a screw. Now we do it all over again.
Yep. So for the people who didn't get to see it the first time,
Here you go.
if you weren't paying attention in the beginning of the video because you were too busy, you clean it out. Grab one of these. All right, good thing you bought some of these because I was gonna say you didn't need them, but
For a second, I thought they were not going to be enough.
if we keep going at this rate, you think we should just look at your other tire too?
No, I just don't want to see anymore.
So you push this through. I know if you're doing this at home, it might actually be harder. I'm used to pinching the ends and getting it going. Hopefully that works for you too. Well, we just need new tires. That's it. Yeah, it going a lot better. Lube. Okay, now pull it out quick. My baby got me working.
Well, I feel like they already know what comes next.
See, if you've been paying attention the first couple minutes of this video, now some people don't cut them this low. I personally do cut it low like this. You know, my dad leaves like huge chunks at the end. I like to just get it flat. Now we have to air it back up because I know I lost a lot of air in this tire. Since you don't have the weight of the car on here, it should air up a lot quicker. I might not even have to 50 psi. So we'll have to air up the other one. But guys, hopefully that video was useful. Check your tires. Sweep your driveways out.
Yeah.
Don't drive your car in alleys. And stay positive until next time.